Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, January 11, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, January 11, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong January 11, 2025, Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, January 11, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for January 11, 2025, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, January 11, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.